Hello, French learners, and welcome to KJ's French Sense, the channel where we help you make French make sense. Today, we're going to look at all the different ways you can spell the A sound in French, and we're going to practice. The first A sound spelling is ER, and it comes at the end of every verb. Let's look at some examples of how this A sound works. Jouer, parler, danser, and manger. Okay, so let's practice the ERA sound. Danger, participer, voyager, plier. The second A sound spelling is E accent aigu. You might have seen this before, but let's review. Remember that unaccented E is not pronounced like in mange, but that accented E is pronounced as in manger. Let's practice what we know so far. This is a little tricky, so look at each word closely. Cherche, chercher, chercher. The third A sound spelling is easy, which is also pronounced A. This A sound comes at the end of a verb, like jouer, parler, danser, and manger. Let's practice what we know so far. Look at each word carefully. Chanter, plier, danser, change. Okay, so let's try a challenge. Look at each word carefully and then see if you can pronounce it. Citer, changer, cherche, jouer, étudier, plier, citer, manger, charger. How'd you do? Don't forget that we all practice and that you've got this. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, share, or comment because you can help us reach our goal of reaching 10,000 students by the end of this year. Until the next time, this is KJ signing out.